right here.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Good job.
Look at that game, Dad.
Yeah.
We need that game.
Oh, do we?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, what's next? Body goes into that thing, right?
Yeah.
No. Flip it around.
It's
Look
like
at the picture, buddy. It's facing the other way. Flip it around. There you go. Now her head.
now hair.
Yep.
I didn't know that.
Good job.
Now what was behind
Okay.
her?
What's the next? You need her 4 octopus arms.
I found one.
No, look at the picture.
Okay. Is this one?
Yeah.
Okay, these are so we need these. Okay. What's the next one? Oh. I got 3 now. Now where's the next one? Oh. Thanks, Dad.
Yep. Put that other piece back. There you go. Okay, look how those are attached.
Okay.
Okay. Now we need those 2 pieces.
Okay. Now, what are we doing?
Well, look at the instructions. Where's it go?
Right here?
Yeah. Good job. No, buddy, you gotta look at the picture. Is that where it goes?
No. I'm gonna take it off.
Okay, what's the other piece you need too?
Okay. Let me find it. Okay. Can we use this one?
Yep.
Okay.
Good job. And where's the red one go? Good job. Okay, you need those 3 pieces.
I got this and this.
Yep. I think you need 1 more of those. Good job.
Okay, now
Yeah.
where's this another piece? Okay. Okay, like that?
Yep.
Okay.
Good job.
This is fun.
Okay, now you need those 4 pieces.
Where are they? Oh, there. Now where's the next one?
And then you need the green ones.
Okay. Oh. Now where did
And then
it?
a gray one that's the same shape.
Okay. Where's the gray one? Where is it?
Good job. Alright, where do they go?
They go right here?
Yeah, good job.
Now where do these
And
go?
now turn it so it matches the picture. There you go. Now where do those go?
It's right here.
Yeah.
I didn't know. Now the next one lives on red. Wait. Right here.
There you go. 2 more of those and 2 of those.
Okay. How about you can do it? I want you to. And you can put it on.
Oh, you're done helping?
Well, I want to do these ones and you can do these ones.
Okay.
Because I like this color with red. Okay.
Okay.
Wait, here.
Yep. Good job.
It's looking great.
Keep it facing the way that it is in the picture, buddy, so it doesn't get confusing.
That.
And your big yellow one. Yup. And then 2 more of those gray ones.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. Right here?
No. Good job.
We need another yellow
Yep,
one.
we need another yellow one.
Found one.
And you need the blue clear one.
Okay. Where is it? This one?
Yeah. Okay, where does it say to put the orange one and the blue clear one? Good job.
And the blue one lives here.
Yup. Good job. Okay, now where does the yellow one go?
It looks like that.
Yep. Good job. Okay, now you need to find the green one like that.
Okay. Okay, now where does it go? Oh. Okay.
Good job. Doing so good. Okay. We need the 2 green rods and the 2 gray pieces that look like that.
Okay.
Good job.
First, we put these in here.
Yep.
I think I got it right over like that.
There you go.
It bees here.
Yes. Yep. Same thing. Good job.
And we bend these down if somebody's on the ground.
Okay. Now you need the 2 big green ones
Oh shit.
and these 2 weird little gray ones.
Okay.
Good job. Okay, now look at the picture. What does it say to do?
Like that.
Yeah. There you go. 4 of those. And the 2 black pieces. 2 of the black pieces.
These ones?
Yeah. Okay. Now where does it say to put the 2 black pieces? There you go. Good job. And now where do the yellow ones go?
Right here. I'm going to start with that one. And then next
Good job.
one. Right here. Like that.
Good job. And then you know where the yellow ones go.
Yep. Can you do another one?
You want me to do the other one for you?
Yeah. Hold on. Oh, can we put this on? Then you can turn this. Just don't turn it yet.
Okay.
Just wait till I put the last one on. That's the whole thing. So we need to put these down.
There you go. Look at that. Last one.
Yeah. Go Spider! Go Spider! Can you do a Go Spider? Because I just like doing these ones. Ooh.
There you go.
Okay, first we put the legs on. I want to put the legs on. Now, can we build a web?
Nope, we gotta follow the instructions.
Yeah.
Oh, yep. Web's the next one.
I'll do these.
Alright. You need that thing?
Okay, you can do it.
No. You look through the parts and find it, okay?
And these are the tubies. TV all the day
Look
today.
at the instructions. What do you need? You need the clear screen thing with the spider on it.
Tracy. Where is?
You need Tracy.
Where is it?
And you need that piece. And you need...
You put it right on, right here. Right, Dad?
I don't know, is that what the instructions say to do?
Yeah.
Okay, then do that.
Now we need to do this piece. Okay. Found it. Okay, now let's put the silent on.
Good job.
Wee.
Okay, you need this piece now.
This one and this one.
Yep.
So,
Now where do they go? Good job.
I followed it. Now it's like a river.
Make sure you push it down all the way on the back there. Good job. Alright. Now you need that.
Okay. Found it.
And the clear door. Yup. And you need the wheel.
Right here.
Yeah, good job. I love you.
I love you too, Dad. No, he was right here.
Yup. Good job.
This way?
Yup.
Okay. Right here?
No, right there. Yep. Push them down. One at a time. There you go.
Let me put the next one on. I just got it off. Can you?
Good job. Okay, next.
Okay. This one and this. Okay. Like this.
Yeah. Alright, what's next?
Oh, sorry, Dad.
It's okay, what's the next one?
Put that on. Like that.
Yep. Good job. There you go, good job. Okay, you need those two now.
Okay.
Where's that go now? Okay.
Bin.
Now you need those two pieces.
Okay. Okay, now.
Okay, how do those two go together?
Now, where did they go?
Well, let's see. Okay, next one. Good. Do the pinchers.
I'm gonna put this up. Thank you, Grandma.
What is it? Tell me who those guys are, buddy.
It's the Lego Stock Ock, and Ghost Spider, and Spidey, and Tracy.